Tammy, Ho, I just want to let you guys know I have somebody who's interested in getting the shop. Don't leave, okay? And if you guys decide to leave, at least try to stay, couple months. So at least, they move in, and then if you want to leave, you just slowly leave. Can I take this with me? No, you can't take nothing, okay? This belongs to the shop and the new owner. You are a good boss. I just know that they have money and they want to take over the salon. Min, I need to have a talk with you. Ling Ling? What are you doing here? Were you about to set the... I just need you to listen up, stop talking. I heard that you're selling your shop and I want to buy it. Where you get the money from? I got lucky. I went to the club. Somehow I got up on the table and started dancing. And people start throwing dollar bills at me. Ever since then, I figured that was one way to make money. So now I want your shop, but I'm gonna give it to you because you've been so good, I don't ever want to lose you again. And also, tell your wife, I'm keeping this shirt.